Alright guys, here we have a new trading week. Today is July 19th. I'm starting off on the dollar index. Last week I removed all of my previous markups. I don't want to have any type of inclinations on any type of previous week's movements. I want to have fresh eyes. I don't want any expectations. No expectations going into this week off of anything that happened last week. When you have expectations, that evokes you to want to be right in the market. The market owes you nothing. You should never expect to be right. You should just trade your rules, set your probability, your risk, your reward, and just live with the results. And that's the only way you will be consistent. Trust me. So we've had strong bearish strength. Tried to push up twice, slowly moving down. This is giving me a strong inclination that manipulation might occur. So looking at the dollar index, I want to see at least a break above this line right here, this area. If I can get a push above there, a strong break. I just need any form of strong break. If we can get a nice push to the upside, I want to wait for that retest. And this will confirm that we're going to get up to this next zone. This zone right here is actually a strong zone of sensitivity. If we look on the dollar, on the daily chart, we look left, we can see rejection, even rejection around here, this area right here, rejection. So I'm definitely going to see another direction being changed once we get there. It was at an order block here. As you can see, a strong push up. You know, it just couldn't break below. If we do break below, I want to see price actually break my zone, to be honest. I want to see it break that strong break zone. Nice break below this previous low. Come back and retest. My zones have been pretty accurate. Like my large grade bank zones, they've been pretty accurate. So if I can see a strong break below, that means we're definitely pushing lower to the downside. We're going to wait for something to move to the upside. If the dollar index is shooting up, that's going to tell me that GBP USD is going to shoot down, and vice versa. If it goes down, confirmation, we know GBP USD is going to rise. So same thing on GU. I remove all my previous weeks markups. I don't want to have any expectations. If we zoom in, well, as you can see, we had a large rally. Nice liquidity runs, nice trend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We had a break above, broke the trend, shot up. A lot of rejection candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot of rejection candles. But we also have rejection on the downside, strong candles as well. So like I said, I can see a lot of manipulation occurring. So we have to be prepared. We have to mark up our charts, have no expectations, and just live with the results. So if I'm going to buy, I'm going to wait for price to break here. I definitely need some type of confirmation. I'm going to need a push, a retest, confirmation to shoot to the upside, rate these highs because there's liquidity resting. Now, if I'm going to get sells, I definitely need the market to break below here because this line is strong. This is a strong area of support. We can catch a nice day trade on this. Get a great break to the gray zone. That definitely will occur. And then we'll hit some form of resistance. The market will contract or move sideways, whatever you want to call it. But this is my markup for this week. I want to see what's going to happen. I have no expectations going into this week. I'm just waiting for my opportunity to get a good risk to reward and just live with my results and see what happens. Something is going to happen, and you want to be in on the profit side of it. No expectations going into this week.